Yeah, I think so you can go put the spaghetti now. It's boiling. You can put the spaghetti. That boiling yet? It's boiling. You see? That's boiling. It's boiling. Yeah. Yeah, it's boiling. Really? If it's not boiled yet, wait when you finish boiling. You don't have to all the time sit close to it. You can like back up and then you come back like every 2 minutes, okay? Because you don't want to be close to the fire all the time, okay? Don't put it there. That's not safe.
Mommy. Can you send me the cook? Can you please stop? No, Mommy, can you sit down and eat your food?